Hello and welcome to Stirling Castle. My name is John Hay, and Historic Environment Scotland have arranged for BSL tours of Stirling Castle. I'll be leading the tour in BSL and telling you all about the history of the castle. There will also be an interpreter present who will interpret everything I say into English, so people who don't use BSL are welcome to come with you. The tour is included in the admission charge and carers are admitted free. You can either book in advance online or just come along on the day and book your ticket when you get here. Also, on the same day, we have a tour taking place at the engine shed. It's just next to Stirling railway station, and there you will be able to learn about the traditional methods and materials used for building in Scotland. The dates of the tours are shown here. And we look forward to seeing you on the day. Bye bye.